Welcome to Trade Pro. It's time to test the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern and the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern 100 times in a row to see if it's profitable or not. Now, I'm going to use the Trading View bullish engulfing candle and bearish engulfing candle finder to actually get the signals. All right, so I'm going to do a super simple strategy where anytime there's a bullish engulfing signal given, taking entry, placing the stop below the lowest point of that candle, and then aiming for 1 times risk profit target. For a short, same thing, taking that short position on the candle close, stop loss goes above that candlestick high, aiming for a 1 times profit target. Pretty simple and not much more to explain on that. I'm going to do this 100 times in a row and see what the win rate is. I got to assume that it's going to be slightly in the favor of the candlestick pattern, but I'd be surprised if it got farther than 60%. But let's see how it goes, and it's time to test 100 times in a row to see if this candlestick pattern is any good. The results are in after 100 backtests using a 1-to-1 risk reward. It took 17 months to find the 100 signals, and there were 62 winning trades, 38 losses, giving it a win percentage of 62%. The most losses in a row was 6, the most winners in a row was 9, and the gain on the account, no fees and perfect entries, 24%. So with fees, that's probably more like 15 to 20% depending on your broker. And you know, this did better than I thought it would. Before doing the test, I said at the beginning of the video, I'd be surprised if this thing got close to 60%. I was thinking more realistically, like it would be like 55% or so. So honestly, it does pretty well on its own, and I'm impressed by it. I wouldn't say that it's going to do the same on a 15-minute chart or a 5-minute chart. So with the market noise on those lower time frames, you may have a bit more of an issue getting a good win rate, but you know, pretty good for a candlestick pattern all by itself. You could probably combine this with indicators or other filters and you know, have a pretty decent trading system. So nothing against candlestick patterns at all, especially when it's something that, you know, it's definitive. You can't argue if the pattern is there, especially if you're just using this Trading View signal finder. You know, you just take the entry when the signal pops up. There's no subjectiveness. You just take it as it signals. So, you know, maybe I could come up with something with this pattern and filter out some of the bad ones. But anyway, thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.